Welcome. If you want to set up Face Unlock on your ULEFONE Note 7P, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next, tap on the Face Unlock. Click right here on the register face. Read the description, and after that move to the next. Input your currently logged method, in my case it's simple pattern, and click next. And right now we have to keep our face in the circle. Just wait until the scan is complete. And as you can see, it's turned on the 100%. So right now when we lock the device and try to unlock, the face was recognized and we can simply use the device. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.